Welcome to Dusen Hotspot application. This application is designed for migrate the Dusen hotspot from the Helium app to the Dusen app. First of all, the user is required to have an account in Helium network. If not, a user needs to register it first in the Helium network. Now I'm gonna link my Helium account with the Helium network to the Dusen application. First, click Tap to Start. Sign in with Helium Hotspot and insert your PIN code of the Helium wallet and confirm that you want to link my wallet with the Dusen Helium hotspot application. Here's a simple introduction about how to recover the Helium account in the Helium application. First, the user needs to import the existing account. Enter the 12 recovery words. We should have already provided the test account for it. Burden, simple, score, expose, channel, casual, dismiss, divorce, fluid, usage, favorite. Confirm the 12 words are correct and then submit. Enter the PIN code you want to set. Then the account is correctly recovered. Now the user can carry out the action about their hotspots. For example, they can add a new hotspot to the application. Choose the correct section. View the guide. Click Next, Next, Next. And set the hub in the pairing mode. Hub is discovered. Pairing with it. Choose a Wi-Fi signal or use the internet. This hub is already paired with my application. For normal situation, it would say that the hub is correctly paired. And then user need to assert the location for the new hotspot. Find the Dusen hotspot. And then user can set the location for it, set the antenna and the theta power. Then user can register the hotspot in the application. For the first time it's free, and then the Helium would charge $10 for it. Then enter the password for it. and the user need to confirm this is what we want. Now, but for me, I would like to cancel it for avoid the cost. This is general all the introduction we make for the helium miner developed with Dusan application. Thanks for